Alright guys, that was the pump I was telling you about that I replaced on the window washer tank. Anyway, good morning. Welcome to the Trucker John Show. It is Thursday, May 2nd, 2019. I am in Horseheads, New York right now at the Walmart. Getting ready to head on out towards my delivery. It's kind of drizzly this morning. Drizzly, but it's warm. It's 60 something degrees out. Just doing a pre-trip on the truck here, and then we'll get going. Okay, we are moving. This is a pretty good Walmart to stop at if you're ever in the area here. Horseheads along 86, I'm sorry, Interstate 86. Looking at the store from the front, over to the left, there's actually I don't know if it's actually a designated truck parking area, but it's perfect for trucks. Should be in Tavia by 10:45, right around 10:45. Okay, we are on the road rolling here. Just getting on to 86 West. Got about 109 miles to Batavia. Should be in there right around 10:45. Our delivery window starts at 11, so didn't want to start too early. They usually don't take you till, well, it's usually after 11 at Batavia, but they're pretty quick once they get you in the dock, though. Looks like we're gonna have a rainy morning. Really didn't look at the weather. I think. Was today supposed to rain all day? I don't remember. I think it was just showers like during the morning. Becoming kind of just cloudy by afternoon. Okay, after we get up to Batavia and unload, we're going to head back down to Brenningsville and pick up our load for Friday, which is Oneonta first stop and then Clay second stop. And from Clay, I think I'll probably be going home. I'm not sure yet. I don't know what they got in store for me for Monday. The only problem though is lately how they've been behind on the loads. Take a chance to go back down to Brenningsville to pick up Friday night and my load isn't ready, then I'm kind of stuck. I might not be able to get home anyway without taking another 10-hour break for to get home Saturday. Probably just end up going home from Clay. It's kind of a pain because I was just right by home when I delivered Oneonta. Oh well. we're just about there. It's 10:45, so we're right on time. Weather is not so nice here, 48 degrees and drizzly. Okay, we'll see you in a little bit after we get checked in here. Okay, I'm here at my delivery in Tavia, New York. I'm all checked in, just kind of waiting on them now. Probably says it's going to be noon. It's a 15 minutes, quarter after 11 right now, so probably noon they'll get me in the dock and should be able to get me right unloaded, hopefully. And then we'll be on our way back down to Brenningsville. All right, guys, we finally got empty here in Tavia. We've been here about 3.5 hours, so it took most of my extra time away from me. I'm still stopping for fuel, so I'm going to be taking a shower anyway. Not going to make it to our stop for tomorrow until tomorrow morning sometime. Probably get there right about 11 when the window opens up. We should be able to get picked up and make it up the road just a little ways before we shut down tonight. Alright, we're going to get going here. Kind of in a hurry now. Alright, guys, we are just rolling right through downtown Tavia. We'll be headed out 63 south here, back over to 390. Alright, we just arrived at the TA in Dansville, New York. I'm going to fill this truck up with diesel and DEF fluid. Park and go take a shower. Yes, sir. Tight for time to be able to get my load off the yard here, so we're just going to do a quick drop and hook and get going. I'm probably not going to film much of it. Alright, let's go get our paperwork at the office. Okay guys, I got my paperwork here. I'm going to check the seal number. I'm going to hook up real quick, do all my pre-trip and safety stuff as quick as I can. So you guys are going to stay in the truck tonight, and we'll get back with you in a little bit. Oh, I think my allergies are kicking in. I don't even know if I have allergies, but I'm sneezing a lot lately. Alright guys, we picked up our loaded trailer and we are headed for the gate right now. Better put my seatbelt on before we get too much further here. We got our paperwork for the gate. We are set to go. So we will see you in a little bit. Okay guys, we made it out of the yard in under 30 minutes, which is pretty good for me because I usually take at least 45. It takes me a little bit longer when I'm videoing and everything. So we did a pre-trip and did the drop and hook and the pre-trip and got all our paperwork done and got out of there in like 25 minutes. So now we're rolling north here on the Pennsylvania Turnpike extension. We got 15 miles to the service area and I got 26 minutes left on my day, so looks like we'll be in good shape to get through, get in there. Right now we're going through the Lehigh Tunnel, which you've seen probably many times if you watched my videos. But let's see, after we come off break in the morning, so it'll be about 10:30 by the time I shut down, so about 8:30 we'll get going again in the morning. And we'll have 155 miles to go up to Oneonta, so we should be there right on time. Or slightly after the opening of the window. So their delivery is 11 to 1. So our ETA is always for the middle of the window, which is noon, so we'll be there before noon. Probably, I guess, probably 11:30. I'm going to say 11:30 we'll be in there. Barring any traffic backups or snarls or snags or DOT inspections or blown tires, and I could keep going if you'd like. Anyway, it's probably dark here. You probably can't see much, so we will say goodnight to you here in a little while. Okay guys, we made it to the service area. We've got 6 minutes left on our day, so we did good. And got 155 miles to the stop tomorrow. Should be there. Gonna be in there by 11:30. So 11:30. They'll probably have us out of there by 12. We only got about 4,000 pounds for the first stop. The second stop, we should be there before 3, and I think their window is 2 to 4, so we should be in pretty good shape. We'll go up, make the second delivery, then probably just head on home. Anyway, thanks for watching the Trucker John Show today. Appreciate you being here. I really do appreciate you guys watching me and leaving comments. Hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I make a video just about every weekday, sometimes on the weekend, so I hope you come back and see me next time on the Trucker John Show. Thanks.